Dear students, today we will discuss about an element which is present in atmosphere in all living organisms, present in fuel like wood, coal and charcoal, present in compounds like carbonates, hydrogen carbonates and found in free state as diamond, graphite, etc. Yes, what you guess is right. It is carbon. Symbol C, atomic number 6 and mass number 12. Carbon is found in the atmosphere as carbon dioxide and it also present in the earth crust and in all living organisms. Carbon also present in fuel like wood, coal, charcoal, coke, petroleum, natural gas, biogas, marsh gas, etc. It is also present in compounds like carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, etc. Carbon is found in free state as diamond, graphite and fullerene. There is a separate study in chemistry about carbon compounds. It is known as organic chemistry. Do you know why? Because of the number of carbon compounds available in the earth. Organic chemistry is a separate field of study due to carbon's unique ability to form numerous complex and diverse covalent compounds with itself and other elements, leading to a massive number of known compounds far exceeding those in other branches of chemistry. This unique nature of carbon is also known as catenation. And its tetravalency, that means the valency of carbon is 4, create complex structure like chain and rings, which are essential for life and require specialized study, reaction. Elements combine to form compounds. We can classify the attraction between the atoms as electrovalent and covalent bonds. The chemical bond between the nonmetals and atom of the same element by sharing electrons is known as covalent bond. Carbon always form covalent bond. There is a reason behind this. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration is 2,4. It has 4 valence electrons in the outermost shell. It does not gain 4 electrons because it is difficult for the 6 protons to hold 10 electrons, because carbon needs 4 more electrons to attain stability, and it does not lose 4 electrons because it can attain stability either by losing or gaining. It does not lose 4 electrons because it needs a large amount of energy to lose 4 electrons. Therefore, it shares 4 electrons with other atoms to attain stability, resulting in the formation of covalent bond. This is the reason why carbon formed covalent bond with other carbon atom or atoms of the other element. We can classify covalent bond, that is the bond formed by sharing electrons, as single covalent bond, the sharing of one pair of electrons. Double covalent bond, sharing of 2 pairs of electrons. Triple covalent bond, sharing of 3 pairs of electrons. we can see single covalent bond between the hydrogen atoms of the hydrogen molecule. The formula of the hydrogen molecule is H2. That means there are two atoms in the hydrogen molecules. The bond between the atoms is a single covalent bond. Why? Because the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. It has only one valence electron. It needs one more electron to attain stability. Therefore, each hydrogen atom shares with one electron with other hydrogen atom to form a single covalent bond. Formation of double covalent bond in oxygen molecule. You know the molecular formula of oxygen is O2. There are two oxygen atoms in the oxygen molecule. With the help of the slide, we can understand the formation of oxygen molecule. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. The electronic configuration is 2,6. There are 6 valence electrons in the outermost shell of oxygen atom. So oxygen atom needs 2 more electrons to attain stability. Therefore, the valency of oxygen is 2. In oxygen molecule, oxygen atom share with other oxygen atom by 2 electrons. This way, double covalent bond formed. You can see in the slide how the double covalent bond formed between the oxygen atom in the oxygen molecule. Dear students, we can understand the triple covalent bond by the formation of nitrogen molecule. Obviously, we know that the formula of nitrogen is N2. The bond between the nitrogen atoms in the nitrogen molecule is triple covalent bond. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. The electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is 2, 5. That means there are 5 valence electrons in the outermost shell of the nitrogen atom. It needs 3 more electrons to attain stability. So, 2 nitrogen atoms share 3 pairs of electrons, resulting in the formation of a triple bond in the nitrogen. Electron dot structure. It is also called a Lewis dot structure. It is a diagram that illustrates valence electrons and chemical bonds in a molecule. It uses dots for valence electrons and lines for shared electrons pairs in bonds, showing how atoms are connected and how electrons are distributed. This dot structure introduced by Gilbert Newton Lewis. These structures are crucial for visualizing molecular bonding, predicting molecular structure, and understand the chemical property of a substance. Dear students, you can see the dot structure of methane molecule and ethane molecule in the slide. The molecular formula of methane is CH4. That means 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. The valency of carbon is 4. The valency of hydrogen is 1. So, 1 carbon atom combines with 4 hydrogen atoms with the help of single covalent bond. So you can see in the dot structure the shared parts of the electrons. There is here X as well as the dot. So this is the valence electron. The X is the valence electrons of carbon The dot is a valence electron of the hydrogen. The same way, you can understand the dot structure of ethane molecule. The molecular formula of ethane molecule is C2H6. That means 2 atoms of carbon and 6 atoms of hydrogen. There are 6 single covalent bonds in this molecule. So dear students, I will publish 3 more videos in this chapter. Continuously watch my channel, subscribe my channel to understand the whole chapter, to revise for the examination and understand the core concept of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.